So here we are in a dentist's office, and we installed a motorized skylight shade because it was right over the chair. We did it to a wall switch. I'm going to hit one, open. He's getting hammered here with the sun coming right in on the patient. So what we did, we put in a Douglas Duette Architella blackout. He didn't want any sun coming in because he does x-rays in here and he needs it dark. So we're going to hit one and close. Nice smooth operation, commercial or residential. 631-225-9600. The best here is we don't take a copay. We don't accept insurance. So it's a nice job.